Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 students. Dear students, our today's topic is short note. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is short note, and the name of this short note is uses of technology for education, and this is lecture number 13, and our today's HW number is 12 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, you can see I have written here today's short note, and the name of this short note is uses of technology for education. Students, remember, for short note you have to write down this topic name. What is written here? Let's see. Technology can be a piece of equipment, tool, device, machine or method that makes our work easier, better and quicker. We use various kinds of technologies for different purposes in our life. Educational technology can be traced back to the paintings on cave walls. People invented paper and began to write down messages or knowledge on paper. After that, people invented the printing press. After that, people invented the printing press. Now, we use educational technologies such as computers, projectors, internet, videos and camera for teaching and learning. When studying, we use technologies such as pencils, textbooks or exercise books. Teachers use blackboards, chalk or other instruments to teach. Students, I have finished my today's topic now. HW. Our today's HW number is 12 number HW, and your HW will be this short note, uses of technology for education. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topics. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.